Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my Tesla Y with my sunroof. I'm doing this inside because I tried to do it outside. It was too sunny, it came through. But I have this is a cover for my sunroof. So I'm gonna hopefully, at the end of this video, be able to drive out in the sun without burning myself up. So here we go. So this is what it comes with here. Let's see here, let's show you the instructions. Here's the how to install. Here, product list and everything. I'll leave that handy. Comes with some foam there. So this is what it looks like here. So you can see it's got shiny stuff on one side where it's super reflective, and then on the other side it's got the color which practically matches the headliner and stuff in the car anyway. So that's pretty cool. So let's open this up and see what we got here. This says Model Y for Model Y. F. I guess F is going to be the front seat. Oh, the front section. So now we've got it open. And boy, that really comes out nice and flat. Look at that. You're just opening it up. It comes out really nice. And then it will just go up in there, but I don't have any clips on it yet. So we need to put our clips on. So let's see what we got in here. I've got it balancing on my head. And these are the clips. Oh, these clips are the best. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what's cool about these clips versus some of the other ones that I have gotten in the past. Oops, I dropped one. Okay, so these ones are good because they clip up into the, I'll show you right here. They clip up into it. You kind of rotate around like that and see it stays up like that. So then it makes it easier to put on. Some of those old school ones, man, they barely held on there, and so they would fall down all the time. So, so I can rotate, I'm gonna do it this way here. I kind of stick it on, rotate it, and snap it up there. Same thing over on this side. So now you can see, oops, slide it in there. And so for the most part now, my front section is done. This here will come out when I get to the back section. So that's almost it. I only did it with 3 clips. It comes with like 10, so I can do more. But I'll do the back. Let me go back there, and I'll go do the back. You guys can watch me from here. Hi from the back seat. Okay, let's open these up. And woo, look how easy this is to open up too. Okay, so I have this, and it will say the back here. So let me get some clips here to clip on. I'm doing the bare minimal amount of clips just currently, just so I can show you guys how this all works. So just doing 3 right now, but I do have others I will stick in here shortly. Got a little bit of a headache from looking up, but there we go. There's that, and that. So let me slide this down a little bit. Okay, so now you see I have this set up, but what it also comes with is these clips here for the center section. So look, so now these sections here, rather than flapping and overlapping or whatever like that, I can clip this up. I can clip this. Put this in there. The bottom's not coming down, but like that, and then it kind of turns sideways there, and now it'll hold it in place, so these will stay together. How cool is that? So let me do it. I think there was 2 of those. Yes, there are. So I'll do the second one over here. Let me do this side first. So there's that, and then. Oops, that one came down. But look at that. So there we go. So now I have myself a roof on my thing here. And I don't know how long this video has been going. 4 minutes. So in 4 minutes, I opened up the package and put it all up there. And this here is going to come out in the sun. So don't worry about the little creases on there. It's just going to come out. And actually, probably as I put the clips on and get them more taut, it'll come out as well. If I put some more clips on here and push it in, it'll kind of pull it tight. That's it. So this is really cool. So I guess I'll kind of just leave it at this for right now. But how cool is this? Let me take you down here so you can see. So now me in the back seat here. Look how nice this is. Now I have a roof over me, and the outside of it. Let's see what it looks like if we can see from the top. I don't know if it does. Can't really see through it because it's so tinted, but it would be reflective. So that's gonna be what's gonna keep me nice and cool in my car. So I'm awesome, ready for a road trip. Thumbs up.